in Sun City, Harley. Because my baby got some new shoes. Alrighty guys, so we just picked the diner up from Sun City Harley and my baby got some new shoes. So we got new tyres put on the bitch. We got a 200 on the rear and a 90/90 on the front. Alright, so the thought process behind it all was the 90/90 fills up that gap between the guard and the tyre, so, and it's a bit bigger of a tyre, so apparently, I'm no tyre expert, but apparently they reckon it handles better. You got a bit more rubber under there, so we'll have a look. I'm just going to go for a scoot over and find a car park or something and pull up and give you a look. But on the arse end, I went with a 200 rear, so I'll show you the tyre sizes and everything, but it had a 180 on it, so first time you've seen a video of mine, this thing is a 2016 Fxdwg, which is a Dyna Wideglide, so it comes out with a 180, but turns out you can squeeze a 200 on there. Dan the Harley man was a little bit concerned that it wasn't going to work, but he sent me a couple of photos, which I'll show you here. So this photo is the first one when he just rolled the tyre under the guard, and it looked like it was going to hit where I've mounted my indicators. So these are aftermarket indicators obviously, and the wiring goes through the bolt on the passenger side, so we were going to have a drama there. But luckily enough, once we put the tyre on the rim, it sucked it in just enough to clear that bolt. So we sweet fam. So I've got to get all this slippery shit off these tyres, because you know what new tyres are like, guys, they're pretty dangerous, so it's going to take it a bit easy and wear all this shit off them. So we'll find a spot over here somewhere. I won't go in the shade because it might restrict your vision. Doing this for you, 'cause it's pretty hot. Perfect. Ugh. Getting old. Alright, still looks the same from side on. Oh yeah, that does look pretty good. I dig it. I'll turn my head sideways so it looks better. But let's have a look at the front. So these are Dunlop Elite 3s, I think. What's that say? Elite 3? Yeah, there you go. So apparently these are pretty good. So that's a 90/90. For those of you who are going to ask me what the tyre size is, where is it? 90/90-21. There you go. Dunlop E3 on the front. And on the back, what do we got? American Elite, made in the US of A, 200/55 R17 MC78V, whatever that is. But there you go. Dan was saying apparently these things are pretty good, so we'll see how it handles and performs. For the record, expensive as shit, but if it's good, you know, as the Goodyear ad says, if it saves you once a year, it's a good year. So even though it's not a good year, but you know what I'm saying. But there you go. I'll take my helmet off and sit the helmet down, and I'll dump the suspension, and just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but that point there, that's the danger zone. Right, we'll have a look. Right, so that's what she looks like dumped on her bum. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys reckon? So anyone who has experience with tyres and shit, let me know in the comments if I've just made a big mistake by squeezing a wider tyre onto the factory rim, because I don't know. But to me, it doesn't look like it's bulging out, you know, too much, like an unsafe amount. The 90/90 looks perfect, so I'm happy with that. The tread pattern's a little bit push bikey, but I'll live with it. But I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. That's cool. Thumbnail. Oh yeah, another cool thing I got. You see that? Little seat lock thing that you can clip your helmet onto. Got one of them X-Fill 8 bags as well. No one really cares about. Apparently you can fit 8 beers in here. I will test that theory, don't you worry. Yes. What else has been happening? Anything cool? Ah, nitrous. Holy shit, it's dirty. Nitrous is booked in. We are getting that fitted up on, I don't know the date, about 3 weeks from now. So by the time you see this video, it'll be 2 weeks from the time it gets uploaded. Booked in, spoke to Brent and Dan. Dan's gonna fit it all up, but I'm gonna take the cameras in and we're gonna do like a install video, so that should be pretty legitness. And yeah, something to look forward to, because I've already got the sticker on, so a bit of a tosser at the moment. But all right, we'll go for a ride, see if I can feel any differences. I'm only going to take it easy until these bad boys wear in, but we'll see if it feels any different. All right, that'll do. Let's go. How good is this backpack? You just slide it on. Done. It's from Biking Cycles. Very cool. Pockets everywhere. You can buy one if you want one. Oh. Let's go. Alright, we'll do a bit of tyre warming. So how long do you have to do this shit before all the sticky tyre crap's gone off them, guys? Serious question, I have no idea. I'm just going to take it easy for probably the next few rides, just to be on the safe side. So I don't want to go down. That would suck. It feels good in corners. If anything, it kind of feels a little bit heavier. I don't know if that's just in my head or what. How about the sound difference, those short shots when you do this? Can you see that? Sounds cool. Alrighty, a little bit of lane filtering. KTM. No chance, son. Oh, sore loser. So traction wise, pretty good. I didn't know if he was going to have a go or not off the light, so I just took it easy and then pinned it, but on the old tyre that would have spun and it hooked up pretty good. I'm happy with that. So traction wise, that's a plus, big tick. The feel on the highway feels the same, to be honest. I don't really notice much difference. I don't know what I've got my air ride suspension set at the moment, but it can't make too much of a difference. It feels nice. I really need to get that shift light for this thing. I'm hopeless with gear changes when I get all excited. Adrenaline kicks in and my brain turns off and I'm hitting limiters. You get that on the big jobs. I'll tighten this mirror up, it's pissing me off. So all you dudes in America watching this, how's winter going for you? You enjoying that snow? It's lovely over here. You gotta love this shit, don't you? Make way, hot stuff coming through. Alright guys, well there's no need to bore you with more traffic because all I'm doing is going to pick up dinner and then go home, so nothing too exciting. We are having masala Indian cuisine. We have a butter chicken. I love me some butter chicken, so that's where I'm going guys. I'm not going to try and go through there, that truck's a bit fat. I feel like dying today. But there you go. If you like the new tyres and you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt the shit out of that subscribe button, and I'll catch you sometime next week, I'm tipping. Probably with a fishing video, because it's barra season guys, and your boy loves him some barramundi. So anyway, see you later, toodaloo, ta-da, bye, love ya, hooroo, catch ya!